Hello, everybody. Happy November. All right, let's talk about what's going on in our market today. You all know I like to bring it all back to the basics of economics, supply and demand. So, for 4 months in a row, we had finally started to see our inventory come down. And from September to October, we actually had our inventory increase very slightly. So, not a lot, not a big, anything to be concerned about, but it didn't continue downward. So, it ticked up just a little bit. Okay. So then let's move to the demand side of things because our sales, interestingly, actually went up. Usually cyclically, seasonally, from September to October, we never see an increase. So I was really pleased to see that our sales actually went up from September to October. So we had 2,335 homes closed in the month of October, 2,245 in September. So a pretty good uptick, especially for the season that we're heading into. And year over year, last October, we only had 2,085 closings. So I'm actually starting to see some signs of a little bit stronger of a market here in Central Florida. So it'll be really interesting to see how that carries into the holiday season. Usually, November closings are usually pretty flat, just seasonally. And then December, you'll have a little bit of an uptick. January usually falls off again, just from a seasonal perspective. So I'll be curious to see how, as interest rates have stayed a little bit on the lower side. I know they ticked up a little bit the other day, but we'll see if that can help push us through our without having a huge seasonal slowdown. So it'll be really interesting. We got a handful of listings from our perspective going on the market. So I wouldn't be surprised if we continue to see our inventory go up a little bit more. So we usually mimic the market. So our sales have been up, our inventory, my pipeline is building, which it usually does around this time of the year. A lot of them wait until after the first to go live, but we're I think we have like 4 going on this week. So if you're ready to buy or sell, give us a call and we'll give you the information for your specific area and market and see how we can help you. Have a beautiful Thanksgiving.